Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Teacher Fayyaduddin Ahmad here. Good morning to all of you. Hope you're all doing fine. Today we are going to solve the questions of page number 175 and 176 of your science reading and writing workbook. The lesson number 3, the solar system, and it is from the chapter 8. Can you please open the page number 175 of your science workbook? Here we have a set of options at the top. We need to choose the answers and just mention the alphabets here in the blanks. Number 1, I am the sun and all of the objects that orbit it. What am I? You all know the answer is solar system. G. So just write the answer for solar system here as G. Choose the right letter. Number next, I am one of the largest objects orbiting the sun. What am I? I am one of the largest objects orbiting the sun. What am I? The answer is planet. Planet is the largest object orbiting around the sun. So answer is planet, that is F. F represents planet. Number next, I am an invisible pulling force that keeps the planets in orbit around the sun. What am I? I am an invisible pulling force that keeps the planets in orbit around the sun. What am I? The answer is gravity. Gravity is the pulling force. We studied about this in our previous sessions. The invisible force which is pulling the objects together. So this is the gravity. Answer is C. I am an invisible pulling force that keeps the planets in orbit around the sun. What am I? C. Answer is gravity. Number 4, I can make distant objects appear to be closer. What am I? I can make distant objects appear to be closer. What am I? So answer is, we all know the answer, the telescope. The answer is telescope. I can make distant objects appear to be closer. What am I? Telescope. The telescope is H. The answer for number 4 is H. Number next, I am a chunk of ice mixed with rocks and dust. I travel around the sun in a long, narrow orbit. What am I? I am a chunk of ice mixed with rocks and dust. I travel around the sun in a long, narrow orbit. What am I? The answer is comet. We know the comets are chunks of ice mixed with rocks and dust. So the answer is comet, that is B. Answer is B. Next, I am made of chunks of rock or metal. I lie in a belt between Mars and Jupiter. What am I? We studied that the asteroids, they lie between Mars and Jupiter. There are thousands of asteroids and they are the chunks of rock or metal. So I am made of chunks of rock or metal. I lie in a belt between Mars and Jupiter. What am I? The answer is asteroid. A. Asteroid is A. Answer is A. Next, I am a meteoroid that falls into Earth's atmosphere and burns up. What am I? I am a meteoroid that falls into Earth's atmosphere and burns up. What am I? The answer is D. Meteor. Answer is D. Meteor. I am a meteoroid that falls into Earth's atmosphere and burns up. The answer is meteor. D. Next, I am a meteoroid that strikes Earth's surface. What am I? I am a meteoroid that strikes Earth's surface. What am I? The answer is meteorite. The answer is meteorite. Now you remember what we learned in the previous sessions. All these things were discussed in our previous session. The answer is E for the last question. Next, we'll go to the fill in the blank session. We have the options here at the top. Just choose the right answer and fill in the blanks. Here we start with it. The solar system consists of an average star called the Sun and all of the objects that revolve around it. These include 8 planets. Answer is planets. The first blank is planets. Many moons and several smaller bodies such as asteroids and comets. The next blank is comets. Asteroids and comets. So answer is comets for the second blank. The rocky planets are Earth, Mercury, Venus and Mars. The first blank in this sentence is rocky and the second blank is Venus. The rocky planets are Earth, Mercury, Venus and Mars. They are closer to the sun and are made mostly of rock. This is why they are called rocky planets. They are mostly made of rocks, so they are called rocky planets. The blank is rock. Next, the gas giants include Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. In this sentence you have three blanks. The first one is gas giants, the second one is Jupiter, and the third blank is Neptune. In this sentence we have three blanks. The first one is gas giants, the second one is Jupiter, and the third one is Neptune. Next, all of these are made mostly of gases. The blank is gases. Because they are made up of gases, they are called as gas giants. So all these planets, they are made up of gases. Helium and hydrogen, we learnt about it. So all of these are made mostly of gases. Blank is gases here. The orbits of the planets are shaped like ellipses. The orbits of the planets are shaped like ellipses. We studied how the scientist Kepler, Johannes Kepler, he described, he stated that the orbits of the planets are not circular but they are flattened circles. They are elliptical in shape. So according to the scientist Johannes Kepler, the orbits of the planets are shaped like ellipses. So the answer is ellipses here. The orbits of the planets are shaped like ellipses. Earth is the only planet in our solar system that has what living things need to survive. Earth is the only planet in our solar system that has what living things need to survive. Again, the answers for this set are, we'll start from the beginning: planets, comets, rocky, Venus, rock, gas giants, Jupiter, Neptune, gases, ellipses. So these are the answers in order. Hope you understood all these answers. Please do your homework. You have homework here. Complete the workbook pages 175 and 176. Please complete your workbook pages. This is your homework for today. Hope you understood this topic. Thank you. Have a nice day.